Hello guys, I am Jasmeet and welcome to Blogging Unplugged Clips. On this channel, you will find bite-sized videos from our main channel, Blogging Unplugged. If you are not into those hour-long videos, then this channel is for you. And if you find the content helpful, then make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now the next update that we are going to discuss in this video is the introduction of another new feature, and this feature lets you add media and template files directly onto your canvas or the Elementor editor. Now to understand this, let's just say you are creating a post or a page in Elementor and you are looking to upload an image. Now using this feature, what you can do is you can basically drag and drop that image to the canvas or the Elementor editor directly from your computer, and it will be uploaded to your media library. In case that is a template, it will be uploaded in your template library. Now to see this change, let's just go to Elementor 3.4 and let's just upload an image directly onto it. Now you can see I have selected this image and I would like to upload it to my post that I'm creating in Elementor 3.4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop it here. Now as soon as I drag and drop it, it opens it in a new tab rather than adding it onto the Elementor canvas. You can see it right over here. There is nothing, no image widget, no related widgets. Okay, it opens it in a new tab, which is this one. Now for the comparison purposes, let's just go to Elementor 3.5 and try and upload this exact same image and see what happens. Now as you can see, I'm trying to create this page in Elementor 3.5 and I would like to upload this image directly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag and drop it right over here. Now you can see the first change right away. When I drag it to the canvas, it turns blue. It animates a little. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop it and it uploads the image. Now as soon as the image is uploaded, Elementor instantly adds an image widget. Okay, now I can size the image from here, which is this. I can caption it, link it, align it, do whatever is that I want to do. So this is the change that you will find in Elementor 3.5 and above. Now again, it is important to know if you are uploading media files, then you can upload images, videos and GIFs. Those files will be found in the media library. What I can do right now here is I can save this post as draft and let me take you to the media library. Exit to dashboard. And you can see right over here, this image has been uploaded to the media library. Now in case you are uploading a template file, then that has to be .json extension and it will be found in the template library. Now make sure if you are uploading media using this technique, then the media is optimized properly, and in case you are going to upload images, then I will recommend using Optimol for compressing the images. It is an amazing plugin that I have been using for a long time now. Link to that plugin will be in the description box below. It is available in both free and premium versions. Feel free to check it out. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, I will see you in the next video.